Good afternoon. Now, the performance of monsoon so far, that means from 1st June onward. Country as a whole, it is just in the lower side of normal, that is minus 10% of normal. For our state Maharashtra, it is normal in the higher side of normal, that is plus 4%, and the four meteorological subdivisions of our state, they goes like this: Konkan Goa plus 14%, that means in the higher side of normal. Similarly, Madhya Maharashtra plus 7%, Marathwada plus 18%. However, Vidarbha, though it is normal, but in the lower side of normal, it is minus 13% as on yesterday. In our state, 4 districts so far are deficient, namely Nandurbar, Jalgaon, Amravati, Gandia and Gadchiroli. Coming to Mumbai city, that is so far received monsoon rainfall is normal, but at the higher side of normal, plus around 9%. For Pune district, as on today, it is plus 6%, that is normal, but at the higher side of normal. Pune city, Shivajinagar area, it is lower side of normal, but Loegaon area, it is equally in the higher side of normal. Overall, Pune city is just normal. Now, coming to the systems right now available in the country. So, you have seen monsoon trough yesterday has gone to the foothills of Himalaya, but today its western end is in foothills of Himalaya, but eastern end now passing through Varai, Patna, then Giridih, Digha, and then ultimately southeastward to North Bay of Bengal. And one more ray of hope for us is chance of revival of monsoon is expected in coming few days. Currently, one upper air cyclonic circulation is located over northwest Bay of Bengal, and it is expected that around 28th, that means in next 24 hours, it is likely to form a low pressure area over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal. Simultaneously, one east-west shear zone at around 13 degree north is existing, and the offshore trough is from Karnataka to Kerala over a off coast area, Karnataka to Kerala over Arabian Sea, that is available, and one cyclonic circulation over Vidarbha region. Based on this, the forecast for state of Maharashtra, firstly Konkan Goa, here from today 27th to 31st, we are expecting it would be fairly widespread rain, mostly light to moderate, and 31st we are expecting light to moderate with isolated heavy rain warning is there, especially for Palghar, Thane and Raigad district. For Madhya Maharashtra, today it is expected isolated light rain 28th, 29th, we are expecting scattered light to moderate rain, isolated moderate rain. Then 30 also light to moderate rain mainly, and 31st it is expected to be fairly widespread rain with isolated heavy rain warning, especially for Nasik and Pune district Ghat area. Coming to Marathwada, here today we are expecting forecast is isolated light rain. 28, 29 it is expected scattered mostly light rain, isolated moderate rain. Then 30, 31st it is very likely to be fairly widespread rain with chance of heavy rain warning, that is over Parvani, Hingoli, Nanded, Latur on 30th of August. For Vidarbha, today it is expected to be scattered light rain. 28, it is likely to be fairly widespread rain, and 29 to 31st, it is likely to be widespread rain, mostly light to moderate, with isolated heavy rain warning for all the districts of Vidarbha. Now, what would be the forecast and warning for Pune city and adjacent Ghat area? For Pune city and Ghat area, up to 29th, it would be generally cloudy sky. Naturally, temperature would be comfortable less, and light rain is very likely. 30, 31st and 1st of September, it is likely to be generally cloudy condition, time to time maybe overcast condition, and light to moderate rain mostly is expected over city as well as district area. But over Ghat area on 31st, we have given warning for isolated heavy rain. Now, what would be the rainfall during September? So, as suggested by extended range forecast of IMD, it is seen current week 27 today to 2nd of September, state is likely to get normal rain, especially southern part of Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, likely to get just above normal rain, and rest of the state it is normal except Konkan. Konkan area may get just below normal rain, but overall for the state the week would be normal. Then 3rd September onward, it is expected that next 2 weeks it is expected to be normal rain for the state. That's all. Time to time, please keep watching our website for further updates. Thank you.